that's it. I'm all packed. It was a good campsite. The tent was right this morning. I slept very well, away a bit from the humidity in the coast that is only like less than 1 kilometer away. And actually, the owner of this orchard came this morning because I camped there. But there is an orchard here, and the owner came this morning, and he asked me if I had a good night. Back to where I was last night. I came till here, and then I went back like 700-800 meters. I felt here was a bit too humid. But I did think about camping around here. I thought about camping here, but yeah, I don't know. Then from here on, you're a bit too close to the shore. It was quite windy last night. I'm not sure if this is seawater or it must be. But
now continue straight on Place Stranraer.
It's not the ocean. It's like a big lake next to the ocean. It's connected by a little thing, but I'm sure it's seawater. Imagine you live in that house. It's kind of a problem if you forgot the milk or the sugar. There you go. One couple taking the same picture. That's what the world came to. In this town, the toilet is open only from 8:30 to 5 p.m. What if I need to take a shit at 8? Anyway, it's 11:36. Bummer that the toilet was closed. I really wanted to get some water, but also I want to wash my face, and yeah, would have been nice if it was open. This is a nice natural reserve. Very nice, several trails. Just entered. I'm following Nathan's route again, yeah. Not sure why he didn't opt for any of these trails, but to be honest, I want to keep going a little bit because yeah, I have to get to my host in Van tonight, and yeah, so there's another place I want to check out, the last bit of Brittany that I'll do this afternoon, and then
now turn left.
I wanna head to Van. So it's okay. I make a bit more progress on the paved road than on the sandy tracks. It will be fun, but a bit too slow for today. This also would have been a very nice place to camp last night. I think it's time to stop and wear arm and leg
Continue
foil.
straight on Impasse des Pleures.
Find a bench here. This is Obelix war, guys. Asterix and Obelix. You sure? Obelix was here. I think whoever did this was like, let's just put some fucking rocks in a field so that in 1,000 years some idiots will come here and take some pictures of it. And I'm one of the idiots. I have to say, they got lazy here. Only small rocks. It's getting cloudy. Tomorrow it's gonna rain quite a bit. So I'm thinking to take a day off. I have a host tonight. Hopefully they let me stay another night. It's 8 days that I'm cycling with the same clothes. I start to smell a lot. I really need a shower and throw all my things in the washing machine. I already warned them that I'm gonna arrive there very smelly. So, uomo avvisato, mezzo salvato. It's an Italian saying. It's like a man who has been warned has been half saved. Because you can prepare yourself, yeah? Yeah, those are little rocks. Not that impressive. But it starts drizzling. I don't like this. For fuck's sake. When you jump on one of those trains, that's the moment you lost your dignity. It's French design. They wanted to keep all the rocks safe. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Seriously? That's it. Last hour of following Nathan's route through Brittany, because at some point the next less than 10 kilometers I will turn right and I will head to Van or Vanne, probably Van, and yeah, and I guess soon my tour of Brittany is gonna be over. from the coast is much quieter. Today is a bank holiday weekend, so it's Sunday, but tomorrow it's bank holiday. So it's a long weekend, and there's many tourists in Brittany. And there's many people with the bikes on the trails as well. So, which is good and okay, but such a loner, I guess. I like this peace to cross some trails alone. I stopped to take some picture on a bridge. It looked like I stopped the traffic in Manhattan. Very peaceful, very peaceful. I have to say, I look forward taking a shower, shaving, and putting on my clothes in a washing machine.
Take the next right. Take the next right. Now turn right.
That's it, I officially left Nathan's Route, heading to Van.